Good morning, guys. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. So let's go straight to our daily analysis. It's Friday. I hope everyone is doing great. Yesterday, yes, we did actually made some very nice profit, especially on NASDAQ. Please don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. So what's really happening on the market? We are actually on Euro USD. So as actually we'll be going live actually later on around 3 o'clock, but that will be on a different channel, on a Trader Nick channel. As we always go there around Fridays, right? So what's really happening on EURUSD? As I want to make this video very quick, you can easily see that yes, the market is on a very nice uptrend. It's uptrending very nice. What's really happening now is the market is going towards that. The market is actually on that on that support area. So let me just use 4 hours time frame so that we can see a bigger picture. It seems like the market is trying to do what? Is trying to break that, but this is actually a counter trend line. We also have a second trend line around this area. If it breaks, obviously we can just hit and run on a sell, but I think you can easily see that the market actually did respect this area for quite some time. So there is a chance that the market actually can respect this area, as you saw before that the market actually did respect. So when we check here, there is a chance that the market can break, but if not, it means we have our buy pending order around that area. If the market bounces back, we will be ready actually to do what to buy. If not, maybe the market will break, then we will think about actually selling. I hope you understand that. I hope you understand. So let's push to the next one, which is what's really happening? Whoa. This is big, guys. The market is actually creating some crazy moves. So if maybe you saw my analysis yesterday on USD I did talk about this area actually as the market might be adjusting the trend. There is a chance for the market to do what? To bounce back, and it seems like the market actually did that. So what we're going to do here is we're just going to adjust our trend. We just need to adjust our trend. Or let me just remove that and start afresh. I think maybe we're going to connect around these areas. Maybe they will make sense. Sometimes when the market is aggressively pushing to the upside, just know that most of the time the market will end up adjusting the trend. I think this way it will work very nice. Actually, we missed a very nice trade there. I think there's something happening. Maybe JPY is doing something very nice. I don't think we have any news in the US around this time. But anyways, it seems like the market is pushing that. It's a very nice push. Whoa, that is an aggressive push. So I'll have to check the news and see if maybe there's something going on. So let me remove this. So, but you can see that since the market actually adjusted, still the market respected some of these areas where we actually drawn our support area, which shows that the market is actually trying to do what? The market is still actually ready to push to the upside. So this is a very nice bullish momentum. Unfortunately, we can't buy around these areas. We will have to actually wait for the market to bounce back or to go a little bit lower before we think about buying again. So if something's like that, we just have to leave it and check something else. So now we are actually on US oil. What's really happening on US oil? I think the best time frame here will be 1 hour. This thing has some crazy big moves. So on 4 hours time frame, we're not going to see the nice structure. So what's really happening here is, yes, we easily see that the market is being on a downtrend, and the market actually adjusted that trend. We drawn this yesterday actually, so we can easily see that yes, there is a chance for the market to break this area, and we might see the market continuing pushing lower as we are actually on a downtrend. So there is a chance for the market to do what? To keep pushing lower and lower, And where we are now, I drawn that actually yesterday. We are actually on a support area. You can see, if you check on your left, you see that we have that area. So there is a chance for the market to do what, to respect that and push up, or the market might break and start to push to the lower side. So we'll just have to wait and see. So, but what I can say is the best thing is to wait sometimes, because if you just jump on a buy, we are still on a downtrend and the market can keep pushing lower. So we can just wait for a breakout here, or maybe wait for the market to reach this area before we think about selling. So I hope you understand what I'm trying to show you. So let's push to the next one, which is gold. Hey, we smashed gold yesterday. We smashed gold yesterday, very quick, by the way. So it seems like the market is also continuing with that. We actually sold around this area, and then it seems like the market is still continuing. So let's go on a 4 hours time frame and see what's really happening. It seems like the dollar is getting stronger and stronger. So, but what's really happening? I think with the structure, everything's just right. It's quite straightforward. You can see that the market actually, from above, the market is doing what? The market is actually pushing to the downside, and we actually sold. I think it's here. We sold around here before the news. Then the market pushed up. Our stop loss was very close. If your broker have a bigger spread, obviously the market touched that. But besides that, still we did make a very nice profit. So now our job is to wait for the market. If maybe the market wants to break this area, we will wait for that, and if that happens, we're gonna take a sell. For now, we can't do anything where the market is. We just have to wait for the market to reach our support area, as we will be actually waiting to see a breakout. If not, it means the market might do what? The market might bounce back again. That's something the market used to do. You can see around these areas, it's where the market mostly bounces back. So yes, and don't forget to smash the subscribe button, guys. So let's see what's really happening on US30. US30, actually, if you still remember, yesterday the market pushed like seriously high. We did not actually trade US30 yesterday, but we did smash the NASDAQ. So what's really happening on US30? If you can check, I think maybe on a daily, it will help on a daily time frame. On a daily time frame, maybe this will be simple. You can easily see that, yes, the market actually, let me push this bit lower. You can easily see that, yes, the market is doing what? The market is actually pushing to the lower side. But if we go closer there, you can easily see that we are very closer to our resistance area. And every time the market touched this area, the market is being selling. So even now, we also think about the same thing. So we might have a very nice sell here until the market pushes lower. So if we sold, we already sold, by the way. I'm waiting for the market maybe to touch around this area, and that will be a very nice Friday, by the way. That will be very great Friday for us. So let's see if maybe we can get something. Yeah, I think it's still pushing lower. I think the market is still pushing lower. On a 4 hours time frame, the structure is also clear. Let me just remove this for now, as our chart is supposed to be clear. Yes, remove also this. Yeah, now we have a structure like this. You can see where we entered. Actually, I tried to go live, but I thought maybe it's a bit earlier. So you can see that we have entry here. The market is already going down, so maybe around this area it's gonna be our first TP, and you can see that we're eating. And don't forget that, guys, we have a special. If you want to join the team, VIP signals is now $12 until month end. Actually, I think we left with 3 days. So what's really happening now is, and obviously, let's say you joined by $12. Once you get signal like this, your $12 was going to be like, or you already recovered already. So I hope you understand that. So what's really happening is we actually eating. We are actually eating, but what I see is, I think the market will keep pushing lower, and around these areas, maybe we should lock the profits. Even now, we should reduce the stop loss because we are on a 4 hours time frame, and this is a very nice sell. So I'm hoping the same thing on NASDAQ, but we will see what will happen actually. So I'm expecting the market to push lower, but you can easily see that you can see actually what I followed, actually why I did take that sell. So around this area, obviously that will be the where I will think maybe it's gonna be a take profit, but I won't let the market reach this area. Obviously I will get out before that. If the market breaks, it's when I can try to continue. If not, we will see what we can do. So let's see on NASDAQ. NASDAQ, it seems also like I don't think NASDAQ is gonna just go as US30. It's still going to play games before maybe we see a sell. Why we think about selling? The reason behind that is actually we reached our highest level, which is actually our resistance. You can see that the market actually touched our resistance, regardless of the news, whether the companies, Microsoft, whatever, if they did good. Yes, they did very good, but with the structure, it shows that there is a chance, there is a room for a sell before we also push up. This jump here was very nice. We did make something there, even though I got out very quick. But I think we can still have a very nice sell around that area. I think let's go closer and see. I think we can have something. We can have a sell and get out when the market is going to bounce back, because I think this sell might happen now, but later on the market might continue buying, because all those companies actually they performed very well. But the thing is, we are actually on a bullish momentum, or uptrend. So the chance is there is a chance for the market to continue pushing to the upside. Even though we are actually on a resistance, that resistance can be broken. So there is a chance for a pullback before maybe we see another continuation. So don't forget to smash the subscribe, like, share with your friends. This is Kenzo. If you want to join the team for VIP signals, it's $12 for now. If you miss this one, obviously you're not gonna get the next one, as our normal prices are there. You can see that we have our normal prices, very nice prices there. And just imagine from $250 to $12 only for these 3 days. Then yeah, it's up to you. Then anyway, don't forget to smash the subscribe button, like, share with your friends. Later on, we're gonna go on our live session. So thank you very much. This is Kenzo, Xtrahot Forex. Bye.